Oh yeah, quick update on that thing. I got a couple of ideas for some parts to get that thing running, so I need to hook into that very soon actually. But I think today I'll get my cylinder heads put together. Well, hopefully at least anyway. Alright, update on this thing. So I went to JCar and I picked up this little power inverter adapter thingy. It just has like a cigarette lighter socket on it. So I wired that up to the heater, and it now runs off wall power, which is cool. I can also use this for testing various ECU stuff, so that's pretty cool. If you didn't watch the live stream where I modified that thing to stop tripping the isolator switch, I can't remember what the fuck they're called, and gave that thing a bit of a test out with the smoke show. Go ahead and check that out. Also, if you haven't, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you guys here again as always. Today in this video I'm going to get these cylinder heads put back together with all the valves, valve springs and locks and everything. So yeah, get them ready to get back on the engine block. So that's what I'm going to do today. Well, that's what this video is going to be about at least anyway. So yeah, I'll get one of the cylinder heads up on the bench. I'm going to clean off all the old valves, so I'll give them a quick wire wheel, get them on the bench as well, and then yeah, we'll go a bit over what I'm putting in it and start putting them together. Alright, so here you have it. These are my old valves. These are a 1.9 inch mainly LS intake valve, stainless steel. I'm just giving them, a quick cleanup, wire wheel, quick little brake clean. I'm not going for like perfectly new and clean again. Just wanted to get most of the old carbon off and then stick them back in here. I've got to relap all the seats, which I'm going to use my trusty drill for, because I don't want to use the little suction cup guy. And then I got some new Manly exhaust valves, again stainless, well polished valves. Again, also an LS deal, so polished, cut groove, etc. Stainless steel, so these will be pretty cool. Again, I'll have to lap them in as well. Michael, be quiet, will ya? So the machinist stacked in all these shims and the cylinder head and the valve seat, because he went and cut away too much of the valve stem seal. So he had to go and stack up these in there to get the right install height for the spring. These valve springs have a 1.8 inch installed height. I'm going to shim them with these and the locators in here to be just under that 1.8 inch installed height, because they come with these 60 thou spring locators as well, which I've got to use. They're a nice hardened seat as well. So I'm going to have to figure that out, quickly first. And then yeah, I'll get to lapping all the valves in and getting them installed with the new valve springs, locks and retainers. These are my Brian Tooley 685 lift dual platinum springs, titanium locks, retainers. So they should be pretty cool. A little bit of an upgrade. It did have, these are a 170 pound at 1.8 inch. So I'm going to shim them to be just over that 170 pound, hopefully maybe around 180. But yeah, anyway, that's my first job. Work out what these installed heights need to be. Well, that was a fail. And I should be doing this with a install height checker deal, or even just like a dummy spring. And 730, so I can still go less again. How thick is this guy? 60 thou. I reckon that will land me right where I want to be. On 780, so yeah, I reckon about there. I might shim it up a little tighter than that actually. Okay, so that is 1.8. I want it to be tighter than that. On 750, perfect. Okay, so now I know I need three of the thick ones on the exhaust side, two of the thick ones on the intake side, and that should be perfect. Ah, why? Valves lapped in. Then we'll get them all assembled. snapped in. I guess it's now time to install all the springs. Alright, well there we go. That's the one head assembled now. So we got all the valves, springs, locks, keepers, all in there, ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to wrap this head up, put it aside, and then I'll get started on the next one. And I'll get it finished and wrapped up. And that's the cylinder heads. That's the cylinder heads ready to go. Got the valves in there nicely. The two valves are at different heights. These exhaust valves are quite a bit taller, so I might have to go and order some 50 thou shorter push rods. I'll cross that bridge when I get to it though. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. They look pretty nice. They shouldn't float or do anything funny, hopefully. Alright, on to the next one. Well, there we go. That's it. That's cylinder head number 2 done. A couple of spares left over. But yeah. Again, pretty happy with how it came out. Should do the job. Poor push rods aren't going to know what hit it with these valve springs, but anyway. I'll get this one wrapped up with the other one and get them ready to go once I can get the bottom end together. Anyway, that's where I'm going to end it off here today, guys. Hopefully I can go and get all the bottom end bits next weekend to go and put that back together, which you might see in the next video. Hopefully the engine balancer will have it all ready to go for me, and then I can video putting it together. And then yeah, we can get it in the car, get it started, do a few heat cycles with it and stuff, and get it ready for once the trans arrives. Unfortunately, the trans has been delayed until mid next month, I'm pretty sure, which is pretty painful and sucky, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I kind of need the transmission, so I'll just have to suck it up and wait. Hopefully it won't get delayed again. If it does, then I'll request a refund and try and source something else somewhere else. And then, yeah, get all the modifications done to turbo manifolds. I've got each bank head flange all flattened off, and I re-divided the turbo because I knife edged it. So I unknife edged the turbo the other day. Yeah, there's not that much else to do to get the bottom end together. Anyway, that's enough rambling on from me. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and throw your comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully putting that block back together. Until then, don't forget, unleash the boost, see out to the world, and I will see you guys then. Bye bye.